vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way.
Thank you. Okay, so it's the next day. Oh shit. I'm making yummy egg. And I left the oil on for way too long. Now it's way too hot. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm gonna mix it up. Then I'm gonna put it in the pot. So we just landed yesterday and we haven't been able to go grocery shopping. So I don't know how good these eggs are. You know, I like to cook, so I don't know how good these eggs are. So we're gonna test it out. If it sinks to the bottom, then it's a good egg. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. They said if it floats, it's a bad egg. Okay. This one's kind of floating. Okay, this one sunk to the bottom. Shit, my yam's already done. Is it hot? Of course it's hot. I'm gonna add the onion. This is the last egg I'm gonna try. Just spilling water everywhere. Okay, I don't think this is a good egg. Okay, this one's good. So yesterday, when we came back, well, come on, egg. Is this a boiled egg? No, it's not. Yesterday we went to Lekki Leisure and it was really, really fun. I tried vlogging some of it. I kind of vlogged, but I kind of didn't vlog. My phone was about to die, first of all. Second of all, it's pretty awkward vlogging when you've never done it before. And I know, listen, I know I want to get into like this influencer thing, being a YouTuber or whatever, but I'm still learning. Okay, come on Maggie. So it's pretty awkward being in public and having your phone and be like, yeah, so now I'm about to eat. And then half the time when I am vlogging and I do have my phone out, I don't even know what to say. Like, what do I say? Hey guys, I'm about to eat some jollof rice. But obviously you can see the jollof rice since I have a camera. So what else do I say? I don't know. But yeah, you know what they say, scared money don't make money. Well, is scared the right word? Yeah, I guess. I'm tired of being scared. Tired of being anxious. I actually want to do things that I want to do, and I want to do them even though I'm still scared to do them and succeed at doing them, because you know I'm the one who's doing them, so I'm not doing it to fail. It's hot. So the yam is done. I'm gonna leave it just a little bit more so it can get a little bit more brown. I had to take my bonnet off. It was hot. It was too hot. I need to oil my scalp. I think my egg needs more pepper. But sometimes you really can't leave in charge of shit, okay? Because there's no tomato, there's no onion, there's no pepper. What am I going to put inside this egg? The only thing I put was Maggi and ground pepper. And now my eggs are looking it's looking very lonely. It's looking very empty. And I don't have anything else to put in it. My egg needs more pepper. I don't want to look back on my life and be like, damn, I didn't live life to the fullest, or I didn't make good use of my youth, or I didn't do the things that I wanted to do, you know? I don't want to wait till I'm old and then realize that I wasn't living my life the way I wanted to. I don't want to wait till I'm old and then realize that I have all these regrets, and I don't want to wait, period. And come on, there's nothing stopping me from doing it. As long as you have breath, you have options.
the next day.
It's the next day. I got back and I was so tired. I didn't take my makeup off. I didn't even put my hair in a bonnet. I was just like, let me lay down for a couple seconds before I do some work on the computer. And then I laid down and now it's the next day. So it's like 9 a.m. and I'm looking for my AirPod. I can't find my AirPod and I'm so upset because I lost it on the plane, and luckily I was able to find it. It was the the left AirPod. It's always the left AirPod. I was able to find it, and then yesterday I lost it because I was listening to music and I fell asleep. No, not yesterday, day before yesterday. Day before yesterday I lost it because I was listening to music and I fell asleep. And then yesterday I figured out that I fucking lost it somewhere in this room, and now I can't find it. If I don't find that AirPod, I'm just... Oh my god! Oh jeez, oh my god! Look, it's somewhere in this room. So, I just ate brunch, I guess. It's almost 12. I ate some jollof rice that I got from Lekki Leisure the other day, and right now I'm just taking a 30-minute break. I have 17 minutes left in my break before I start planning outfits to go and take pictures outside. I just came from outside. I went to scope out the location and they're looking pretty good. Pretty promising locations. It's beautiful outside. It's sunny. It's a cool 84. It's a little cloudy, but that's okay. A lot of the locations, it was sunny when I went out earlier, but whatever. A lot of the locations that I picked were like in shady areas, so hopefully I'm still able to take nice pictures in those areas, because you know, that sun just be hitting different. Especially, wait. Let's have the conversation, girlies. Let's talk about it. I don't know what the sun is doing in this Nigeria, but every time I come to Nigeria, my skin go clear. My skin is soft. My skin they shine like a glazed donut. Like, my skin is always clear every time I come to Nigeria. And then when I go back to America, I start breaking out and looking a hot fucking mess. I don't know what kind of sun they got over here. I assumed it was the same sun everywhere. Obviously it isn't. Are you seeing her? I still got some spots, you know. Still got some hyperpigmentation, but we're working on that. But my skin looks good nonetheless. I really want to take a month's worth of pictures before I leave to the east. I don't know if I'll be able to take 12 pictures in a day, because even back home I usually just do 4. Like, I do 4 pictures in a day, so we're gonna see how that's gonna go. I feel like if I end the day with 8 pictures, that's a pretty good day, because I'm gonna come back to the west again, so I feel like I'll still have time to take, you know, more pictures. So I'm gonna plan my outfits, then I'm gonna do my makeup, then I'm gonna go outside and take pictures. Hopefully that doesn't take too long. It's almost 12. You know how when you just eat and you eat like real good, you're like, I don't want to do anything else. That's how I feel right now. Like, I don't want to do anything else. Okay, I packed like half my closet coming here, and I'm looking at my suitcase and I feel like I don't have any clothes. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I have my 4 outfits planned out. They're over there. Now I'm just gonna go do my makeup. I don't know if I want to do a light beat because it is hot, or if I want to do a full face. I think I'm just gonna do something light, but I'll be right back, and then I'm gonna take you along with me to take some pictures. It's already 2 p.m. I need to hurry up and do my makeup, so let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah. So like I said, I'm gonna do soft lamb maybe? I don't know. But I don't want to do something that's gonna take me forever to do. I'm using the Fenty Skin Tint, but I'm not gonna use a lot. I think I'm gonna go for like really sheer coverage because like I said, it is hot outside. so it's really no point in packing on product. Whenever I don't feel like doing eyeshadow, I just put blush on my eyelids. Sometimes I like to bring it out like all the way out here and connect it to the blush on my cheeks. To me, it just screams runway. Okay, so this might be a little bit too much blush, but you know, whatever. I just finished my makeup. Now I'm gonna go pack my things into like a really big bag so I can go downstairs and take pictures. Even though I finished my makeup, I don't really like it. I don't really like it. I always say that after I finish doing my makeup. I'm always like, oh my goodness, I don't like it. I'm already wasting daylight, so let's go. Okay, so I'm by the first location that I'm going to take pictures at, and it's more sunny over there, so I think I might move over there, but for now it's pretty nice outside. It feels really, really good. Hi. Some little kids staring at me. But yeah, it feels nice outside. It feels really good, so I'm just gonna get started. Brought all my outfits with me because there's a bathroom here, so I was like, okay, I'll just change in the bathroom here instead of going back and forth, you know, because that's a lot of work. Are the glasses a yay or nay? Should I remove the glasses? The sun is this way. I don't know why I have the camera right here. Are you slanted? You are. You are slanted. We're still slanted. Okay, this was not going as planned. Just hang out, you know, slanted. I'll be slanted too. We'll be twins. Anyway, yay or nay? Because you can't even see the glasses now. You can't really see them. I don't want to put them like this because then they're gonna cover my necklaces. I think, should I just leave them on the hip? Should I wear them? Let me show y'all the full outfit. This is outfit number 1. This is a mess. That's what this is. Are you listening? Are you listening? This is a mess. Okay. Outfit number 1. Do we like? Thank you. That kid across the street told me to have a nice vlog. I really appreciate it because I'm new to vlogging, so maybe that's a good sign that I'm doing this right. So when I batch content, I like to use, well, when I batch content for Instagram, I like to use Lens Buddy. Even though Lens Buddy lags a lot, I still like to use the app because at least that way I have all my pictures in one place. I'm gonna be using that, and I'm gonna be using my handy dandy tripod. Got this off of Amazon. It was about $20 and it's a must-have. It did come with a clicker, but since I use the Lens Buddy app, I don't really use my clickers. Hold up. Always clean your lens. Always clean the lens of your camera. Look at that. A perfect spot was actually behind the camera right there. Ah. Come on, tripod. Work with my nails. Work with them, not against them. Work with them, not against them. I'm running around. My bracelet just broke. Do you see that? Do you see? Heartbreak. Disappointment. Oh, look at that. I had another identical bracelet. We're just gonna do some furniture rearranging because I need my set to be to my liking. So after I have my set how I want it, I set up my tripod with the Lens Buddy app, and I do a couple test shots first just to see, you know, how it looks, if I like the lighting, if I like the angle,
and then I reposition if I have to. And once I find a position, or once I find, you know, an angle that I really like, then I go in and I take as many pictures as I can. I typically try to take at least 100 pictures. So I'll start off by taking 5 pictures every 1 second just to figure out, you know, the lighting and the angle that I want. And once I figure that out, then I'll take 50 pictures every second or 100 pictures every second, and then just rinse and repeat.
Bad man, me, I put you on a first class.
This is outfit number 2. Are we looking? Take a look. Take a look. Outfit number 2. So I was trying to go with something that's like chill, like rich auntie vibes, vacay beach type vibes. I don't know if I am giving rich auntie vibes or if I'm giving waitress. So I just took pictures for outfit number 1. I took about 300 pictures plus details, and I feel like the pictures came out pretty good. I didn't look through all of them, just a couple, so I'll look through all of them later. But I feel like it's very promising. It's getting really hot out here, and good thing that the breeze is starting to blow because I'm starting to sweat already. I'm just gonna move up a little bit and shoot over there. Over there. Hopefully, you know, get a different feel. This lighting is terrible. I actually don't think I'm going to carry all my stuff over there. Let me move you. My phone just fell smack on its face. Just right on its face. Okay, I had to change the settings on my camera because it was looking terrible, but now it looks a little bit better. So this is the outfit, guys. I was testing out a different spot. So now I'm gonna test out the spot.
Now on to the second outfit. I first set up my tripod just like before and make sure that I like the lighting and the angle. Then I continue on and take more pictures. With the second outfit, it was some growing pains because it was a lot of pictures that I wasn't really feeling, but I ended up finding the right ones.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like any of them. I don't know if it's the outfit. I don't know if I should toss this outfit and save it for next time. I don't know if I should change my location. I don't know if I should just move on to the next outfit.
Okay, so it's pretty common when I take pictures that I end up not liking any of them. Sometimes you never get the right shot, but I just ended up playing with the different angles to see if I would like them better from a different angle, and I eventually did get a picture that I liked. And now outfit number 3. For outfit number 3, I ended up taking some pictures over here, and I also took some pictures back at the first spot where we were with the couch, and I ended up posting those because I like those better, but my camera died by then. Sorry, girl. But this is the behind the scenes. This is literally how I take all my Instagram pictures for the most part, and I'm just a one-woman show out here.